Hey guys, welcome back to another video, guys. So today, guys, I finally got this package, guys. Look at here. So you guys know what it is? Yeah, this is the package for the kidney grill that I ordered last week. I've been waiting for this grill for a week, guys. For a week. It was a long time. I know it's not a long time, like, to be honest. But then, guys, you know, when you order your car parts on the online, it feels like it takes like forever, guys. I stopped on talking about it because I waited another day to open it with you guys. So I want to unbox it now. Let's try opening it. Okay. Yeah, look at it. Yeah, guys. Let's go. Okay. Whoa, what's this? The box is this big and like the package is only this big, guys. Okay, guys, finally, another box to open. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, guys, look at this. So, this grill is the black kidney grill with the M stripe on it. When you see it, you can see like this here. Another one here, and yeah. Wow, look at this gorgeous kidney grill, guys. Wow, look at it. There is M stripe on it, like on the right side one. Yeah. Okay, guys. Whew, this is pretty sick. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna start installing those kidney grills. But then, guys, as you guys can see here, I already removed those OEM kidney grills right there because on the last video, I wrapped those e-brace with the blue carbon fiber look wrapping paper here. If you guys want to know how to remove those OEM kidney grill, please watch my last video because there are whole instructions there how to remove it, like really simple instruction, guys. So today, for my kidney grill installation, it's gonna be really simple because all I have to do now is I just gotta put it in, stick it in, and that's it, guys. But then before I do that, I just want to simply wipe this dirt out. So let me wash it first. Now I just wiped those areas here. Okay, let's stick it in now. Okay, let's put it in. Okay, and then when you guys see here, just don't force it. Just once you put it in the right place, you just push it. Really simple, guys. Really simple. And then the left one here, like, put it in like this. Once it is into that part, you just push it in. Yeah, guys, don't force it. You don't have to force it. You don't have to try to like stick it in really hard. Clips go in automatically. Just check, make sure that it is all done right. And then, guys, after you guys are done, now you have to put this bumper back. That's it, guys. Okay, guys, so that was it, guys. So as you guys can see there, it looks amazing. The kidney grill was only like 40 something bucks, and also the wrapping paper for the V-brace thingy was only like 17 bucks. Compared to the price, those looks amazing. I think those are the probably two simplest and cheapest modes that you guys can do. So guys, if you guys are thinking to do it, you guys should definitely do it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if there's anything that you guys want me to do, please let me know on the comments below. If you guys like this video, please hit the subscribe button and notification on the below, guys. Thank you so much, guys, and see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.
Yeah.